What's up, YouTube? Today we have a pair of wheat colorway suede Jordan 6s. And as you probably noticed, these things are trash. We have deep and stubborn stains on the suede throughout the whole sneaker. We have gunk and grime on the soles. And in this video, you will learn how to properly give these Jordans a deep clean. You will learn how to restore and better yet, how to rejuvenate the suede. And this video will start right now. Okay guys, the first thing I like to do is check the sneaker for permanent damages, such as deep cuts, deep scratches, gum on the suede, whatever the case may be. And the reason behind this is you don't want to waste your time trying to restore a sneaker that just physically can't be fixed. Alright guys, the next step would be to insert these shoe trees, but as you can tell, they don't fit. So, as I usually recommend, we're going to use socks. We're going to roll up these socks and insert them inside our sneaker. Now, the purpose behind shoe trees in general is to give more stability to the sneaker so you can apply more pressure so you can get out more dirt. That's the only reason for shoe trees, and usually the substitution like bags, socks, and t-shirts work just as well. For the next step, you're gonna need a suede eraser. Also, you're gonna wanna use a semi-soft brush to dust off the sneaker. Now, how do you wanna use the suede eraser is in a back and forth motion, applying a decent amount of pressure to get out the stubborn stains on the suede. In the brush, you wanna brush off the residue that the suede eraser is gonna produce. Once you feel like you're done pre-treating the deep stain spots, go ahead and clean up your area and get ready for the next step. The next step we'll be doing is the soles. As you can see, they have gum, dirt, and grime all over them, and we'll be using, that's right, our handy dandy toothpicks. They're cheap and they're effective. And honestly guys, these things just work wonders. Now, the reason behind using toothpicks is the brushes just don't have enough strength and power to remove all the gunk and grime on the soles most of the time. So this tip just comes in handy. The next step will be the wash. We're going to start with the soft bristle brush. The reason why we use the soft bristle brush is because it produces the most suds and breaks down the most dirt. Now let's get into this restoration. The next brush we'll be using is the medium bristle brush. And the last brush we will be using is the brass bristle brush. Hey guys, don't forget this next step. Pre-treat your laces. What you don't want to do is have a clean, perfectly restored sneaker and have some dingy ass laces. It just looks awful. So please don't forget this step, guys. The next step, you guessed it, the sneaker laundry bag. Now if you don't own a sneaker laundry bag, that is perfectly okay. You could just rinse and repeat the previous steps we covered, but you won't get the same result. And to be honest, you will not be able to get the stubborn stains out without the sneaker laundry bag. Just to be fair guys, you can get a decent result only using the brushes. I am just giving you my honest opinion about the sneaker laundry bag and stain removal. But without any further ado, let's go to the laundry room. For this next step, you're gonna need a bottle of mink oil. I got this bottle from Angelus Direct. You can pick yours up there. You're also gonna need a soft bristle brush to spread the mink oil evenly. Now, the way you wanna use this product, guys, is you wanna spray light but even coats throughout the whole suede sneaker. Make sure when you start to use the brush, you brush in one direction only. That way you don't fray or mess up the suede in any way. Keep repeating this step until you get the desired effect that you're looking for. Now guys, if you learned anything in this video, please hit that like button as it helps my channel grow. Therefore, I'm able to produce more videos and content for you guys. But anyways, these things are starting to look great. I don't know if you can see the night and day difference. So let's just take these outside to get a better look in the sun.